And welcome to episode 14 of Getting to Know Your Real Estate Contracts. We are talking about a survey today. Why is this really important for you to understand? First of all, under the contract, you only have, as a buyer, it's optional, right? You get the option of getting a survey. The seller doesn't really have an obligation to give you a survey. It says if seller has a survey, the copy shall be furnished to buyer and closing agent within 5 days after the effective date. But the reality is that a seller survey might be really, really old, and I wouldn't rely on that. I'd want to get something recertified recently to know what does it look like now. So that's the important part. Number two, surveys really should be ordered as soon as the contract is given to the title company, as soon as you know you've gotten that title commitment. Why? Because surveys are going to show what problems there are in the property, right? It's not just about what are the edges of your property. It's about easements. It's about violations where something's been built where it shouldn't be built. It's about understanding where your septic tank and your well are located if you have a well and septic. Those are the things that a survey shows. And if you don't order a survey, it is going to be an exception to your title policy, so that if you discover something later that can create an issue for you to have a claim with your title policy, you're not going to be covered if you didn't order that survey. So don't treat it as optional. You really should be getting a survey.